Recall that a power source is used to deliver electrical power. An example of a power source is an electrical socket. Without an electrical socket, household electronics with plugs will not function. Similarly, a control system will not function without a power source. There are two ways to classify control systems, based on their dependency on feedback, or based on how they are powered. We have already discussed the differences between control systems based on feedback dependency. Now we will study control systems based on their power sources. There are 4 control systems that we will focus on. Electromechanical control systems, pneumatic control systems, electronic control systems, and direct digital control systems. Electromechanical systems operate on both electrical and mechanical properties. Electromechanical control systems have 2 states. These states are on and off. An example of an electromechanical control device is a relay. A relay is a switch that turns circuits on and off. These switches operate off electrical input signals and control mechanical outputs. Pneumatic control systems use pressurized air to send and receive signals. Pneumatic control systems operate off an air supply. These systems have an air compressor to pressurize the air. Pressurized air is sent through tubes to control mechanical components. An example of a pneumatic control system is a pneumatic actuator. A pneumatic actuator takes pressurized air as input and controls a valve as an output. Depending on the strength of the air, the valve can open either partially or fully. Electronic control systems provide 2-position control, on or off. These systems use electrical inputs to control electrical outputs. Electronic systems sometimes feature visual displays that show system status and operation. An example of an electrical control system is a temperature sensor. Temperature sensors generate a voltage in response to a room's temperature. The input is the temperature, and the output is the control voltage. Direct digital control systems are the most widely used control systems. A direct digital control system is made up of a variety of electronic controls. These electronic controls are networked together into a central computer system. Pneumatic controls move pressurized air, and electronic controls send and receive electrical signals. Pneumatic controls can partially open devices, whereas electronic controls must fully open or close them. Electronic controls provide precise control. They are more efficient and dominate the HVAC industry. Electronic controls provide the option to collect and send data to a network, whereas pneumatic controls cannot. Electronic controls manage a few specific functions, but direct digital control can manage many electronic functions over an extensive network.